Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best products on the market. Today, we're excited to introduce the best pool pillow pal for your above-ground pool. The Poolergetic 4x8 FT Pool Pillow. If you're looking for a reliable way to protect your pool during the colder months, this is the product you've been waiting for. Let's dive into the features that make this pool pillow a must-have. The Poolergetic Pool Pillow is designed to protect your above-ground pool from the damaging effects of ice during the winter. When your pool freezes, expanding ice can put extreme pressure on the pool walls. This heavy-duty air pillow helps alleviate that pressure, preventing any potential damage. It's a simple, yet effective solution to keep your pool safe and intact. Made from high-density PVC, this pool pillow is not just durable, but built to withstand harsh winter weather. It's 0.4 mm thick, ensuring it holds up through temperatures ranging from -10 degrees Fahrenheit to 180 degrees Fahrenheit. Whether you're facing freezing cold or a sudden heat wave, this pillow has got you covered. What sets this pillow apart is its double valve system. This unique feature ensures an airtight seal, preventing any air leakage all winter long. The pillow can be inflated to 70 to 80% capacity, and with its dual valve design, it stays securely inflated without worrying about losing air over time. The second valve is easy to press, and once sealed, you don't have to think twice about it until next season. The reinforcement locking rings add another layer of reliability to this product. With 4 sturdy locking rings, you can secure the pillow in place, ensuring it remains centered in your pool. And with the included 33 feet ropes, easily customizable to your preferred size, this pillow stays put no matter the elements. Whether you're new to pool care or a seasoned pro, the Poolergetic 4x8 FT Pool Pillow is an essential accessory for winterizing your above-ground pool. It protects your investment and saves you from costly repairs. If you're tired of worrying about what winter might do to your pool, this pool pillow is the perfect solution. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique. Make sure to like and subscribe for more honest reviews on the best products out there. Stay safe, keep your pool protected, and we'll see you next time.